Maxine.
Marcus, cut the bullshit. Why am I here?
I just told you, Maxine. I'm going on extended leave, and I just needed to deputize for me.
No, your ministry is falling apart and you need a scapegoat. So if I'm going to deputize for you, there are certain things that have to work my way. For example, this thing about your ministry getting a 300% raise in salary, yet we have 800 or more teachers resigning, that needs immediate attention. And I'm taking no for an answer, especially in the fact that I'm going to be deputized. Oh Lord. Marcus.
Don't get ahead of yourself, Maxine. There are certain basic guidelines and policies that we have to adhere to. So don't think that you're going to just come in and do what you want. This comes with conditions. Trust me on that one.
As sharp as ever, eh, son?
I think them call this a cemetery because them couldn't find a better name for it.
No. I think they call it a cemetery because anybody can be buried here.
Mullins. What is for? You know when you come on to the cemetery, you know, and the visit to my daughter, we take it very personally. A dangerous game this year play.
You know it had to be absolutely important for me to interrupt you here. These days, not even phone is safe. Come we talk.
Policies. You mean like the government bailing out the institution that robbed one of our legends, among others, and having the taxpayers pay this back 15 million per month?
Your information is actually accurate. But you have to understand that we have to keep that company afloat to ensure that the investigation is done to its completion so that we can afford to pay back these persons that you just mentioned their monies. So we can't just leave it up to the company to do this because, quite frankly, they don't have a foot to stand on right now and we have to step in.
When does your extended leave begin?
You don't miss a beat, don't it? I want to start on Monday if you're available at that time. But judging from your behavior, like I should leave now.
Minister Wallace, if I should accept, just know that I'm going to have some stipulations and some policies of my own. They start with
Yes, sir. He has just deputized Dr. Grant.
Anyway, Brother Mullins, I can say I appreciate all this effort that you're making. And the fact that, yeah, you have me under all of this surveillance because according to you, me need it. But hey, I already know who following me. And trust me, you could have called me and tell me this, brother.
Well, one, the surveillance is for your protection. I don't want to break this to you, but you're still part of the agency. And two, you think you know who I follow you?
Well, I hate to break this to you. I already know who following me.
So now, okay, so you have that base covered. Well done. What about who following her?
I never said it was her. But clearly, you know it's who.
Look, in this line of work, you can't be too cautious. And you know me, I go and cover all bases. Let us put it this way. There's a player in the game that you don't even know on the court.
Let me meet you in our church service, man. Because the amount of parables when we get. So, alright. Just tell me who